I have heard an ocean of stories about you, of your beauty and love so true, geesiyadii Afrikoy. Though I have yet to lay my eyes upon your sweet face, I have missed you like my mother's embrace, like my father's smile ever so tender. I long to be kissed by your hot humid air, to leave my footprints upon your rich land. I want to cradle you until my flesh becomes a part of your sand. I want to savor your history under my tongue so I may be able to taste the sweetness of your ancient dynasty, where your people of golden complexions and scriptures of sacred kings lay. Somalia, do not be afraid of your highness. Do not give up, for you will have justice for all the pain and scars you have endured. Dalkaygi, dhulkii dadkaygi, daawadii naftaydii, Ilaahayow ii daawey. Amiin.